Ready?
You're probably wondering why we're out here after dark, capturing just one more image in beautiful Barcelona. Well, the truth is, because we can. My name's Audrey Woulard, and I'm known for my portraits of kids in urban environments. I love the challenge of making my images stand out by using available light. More recently, I've been experimenting with flash. But if I'm going to use flash, it's got to look natural.
Hi, girl.
Here in Barcelona, I'm shooting with Berkeley, who I've known for ages, and Marina, a new client.
Are you guys good? Yeah. You look pretty.
And today, I'm going to use the Profoto Connect, Profoto's brand new trigger that will connect my camera to the light. There are no buttons, just 3 settings: auto, manual, and off. I'm going to set it to auto and let it have full control over the A1 so I can concentrate on getting the shot I want.
So I'm gonna have you guys shoulder to shoulder, smiling, ready, go. Nice.
Whoa, this is almost too easy. Since the Connect is set to auto, the power of the A1 changes as my models come closer to the flash. And together with the Profoto app, I can fine-tune the light. This shoot sure is a walk in the park.
There you go, keep going. All right, let's see what I got. Guys, I think I got this shot.
Just before we move on to the next location, I thought I would grab a portrait of Berkeley really quick on our own.
Love it, right there, gorgeous. Yep, nice. Nice.
Our next stop is the Beachfront, where we arrived just in time for the golden hour. With the sun setting fast, I have to work quickly. To create an even softer look, I'm going to set up the A1 with a dome diffuser. And I'm going to slide the Connect over to manual mode to fine-tune the exposure as I shoot.
Bring both hands down.
As a natural light photographer, there's no way I'd get this shot without flash.
Beautiful, that's so pretty.
It's simply impossible to get this look without lighting my model in the foreground to balance out the exposure with the sun in the background.
It came out and it was beautiful.
Marina is done for the day, and it's time for us to move on to the next location. Golden hour has passed, but there's still a great opportunity for me to create a blue hour scene in this alleyway. Being able to light the shot gives me so many more creative possibilities.
Keep going.
For example, I'm changing the white balance setting to around 3500 Kelvin to create a cooler blue tone in the image. Then I'm adding an orange gel to my A1 to give Berkeley a more natural skin tone. This simple technique will make my flash look the same color as daylight, while giving the natural ambient light in the background a blue tone. Whether my model is spinning or dancing, or if I myself are moving, the Connect and the A1 follow our every move. And the creative feeling I get is truly amazing.
These look great.
The thing is, there are creative opportunities everywhere, even in the middle of the street. Now I have Profoto Connect. If I see it, I can shoot it.
Beautiful. Oh, I like that. Got it.
The Connect and the A1 have been so much fun to use today. No buttons or dials means no hassle, just plenty of creative freedom. We captured some really cool stuff today. Look at that.
Oh, I love that.
Can you believe that?
Wow.
Totally nailed it, right?
Sounds good.
Look at that fountain over there. That's so cool. I think we should take another shot. What do you think?
We should.
Let's do it. With the Profoto Connect, it has never been easier to create beautiful and natural-looking light anytime, anywhere. Just switch it on and shoot.